changing your profile picture on Hulu is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your profile image easily. Step 1. Open Hulu app or website. Launch the Hulu app on your device or go to the Hulu website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to your profile. Navigate to your profile by selecting your account icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile name to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Edit Profile. In your account settings, look for the option labeled Edit Profile. Click on it to open the profile editing options. Step 4. Choose a new profile picture. You will see an option to change your profile picture. Click on the current picture or the placeholder image, and you will be prompted to select a new image from your device or choose from available options. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new profile picture, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Done button and click it to finalize the update. Now your profile picture on Hulu is updated. Enjoy your viewing experience with your new look.